Industry 4.0, everyone talks about that. Even Ms. Merkel or Ms. Nahles talks about that. A little bit at the edge of being overhyped. At the same time, it is quite realistic because essentially that's not that much of an revolution as people are talking about. It's rather evolutionary, right? 4.0 means it's the fourth revolution, starting from steam machines, linear production to automation, and now we just combine software and automation. That's not happening overnight. You know, we always had robotics in our plans. Now we just combine them with machine vision and make them more intelligent and autonomous. These are the elements of 4.0. What drives us to investigate in that field and working together with basically our clients is to see what can I do better, cheaper, at a higher quality or faster, and there are real potentials that we estimate over 100 billion for Germany alone for 4.0. The employment market, that's an interesting topic around 4.0. Also the media is full of, right? And there are images around there that basically 4.0 carves out all human beings out of the production market. We basically think that's not real, that's not gonna happen. By the way, the same, say, threatening thoughts were also there when the first industrial revolution brought steam machines or automated garment to the market. Yeah? When automotives were created, people said this is the devil's thing because we cannot employ horse carriage drivers anymore. And in reality, we are close to full employment, and we think a similar thing will happen also with Industry 4.0. It is true that jobs will differ. So simple, repetitive tasks, carrying stuff from A to B, hurting your back while doing that, there's a fair share that this will be taken over by more autonomous production systems in the future. At the same time, new jobs like human-machine interface design, autonomous service, data recognition in machines and so on will come into play. So overall, we are positive, and for example, for Germany, we do project a net gain of job that is about in the magnitude of 400,000 per year. So on the question of how long will it take, I mean, this is as I said, rather an evolution than a revolution. Elements of that are already happening, right? There is no machine being built out there without finite elements in design. You learn that every day, and sometimes you call it big data analytics. What you do in your studies, Betriebsdatenerfassung, is something that we do since 20 years. So I mean, this is happening all over the time. We do think for the full potential of 4.0 to really come into play, it will take some 10 to 15 years.